Looking to dive into the world of trading, discover how to maximize your profits with our step-by-step guide on using the Plus500 trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, learn tips and tricks that can elevate your trading game and unlock your financial potential. Don't miss out, let's get started. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Plus500 trading platform. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into plus500.com, sorry, and here we have the homepage as you can see. So I will show you the step-by-step how you can get started and how you can use plus500.com. So welcome to our guide on Plus500, the popular trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of financial instruments. In this video, we'll define Plus500 and exploit its features that attracts traders worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, there is something here for you. Stick around until the end for exclusive tips to enhance your trading journey. So let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is just click over Start with the Act, or you click over Now Start Trading, or you click over Try Free Demo. And then you'll find another account and you blank your personal information and you get started with plus500.com. But firstly, you have to use this VPN because there is some country that it's not work with. You cannot join this platform without using a VPN. So you have just to download this VPN, so it's for free and you can use it. Here we have free VPN for Chrome, and then you get started. You have to use other country such as USA, UK, France, and we have Spain also, on Netherlands, and me I use Netherlands and it's really helpful and useful to use it. Then you'll find this page as you can see. So on this page we have various things and several options. So to get started we have just to go to the insights. I will show you how you can get started with this platform. So here we have exclusive access to millions of Plus500 customers activity in real time. So you have to click on most traded and you will find here these options. We have instrument here, open position, sellers, buyers, daily leverage. So to get started you have just to use the platform trading, and it's easy and it's user friendly. You have to firstly to create an account as I did. Once you're logged in, explore various financial instruments like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies to place a trade. Select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. Don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk effectively. So this is how you can get started. Also here in the insight we have most viewed, as you can see. Then we have here most followed also, and if you come back you will find here most profit making positions, most loss making positions, also highest buy ratio as well, highest sell ratio, and we have here highest profit return from a trade and highest loss return from a trade. So this is the option that you have to use to get started with Plus500. Then we have also other options such as open positions, orders, closed positions, and funds here. As you can see, here we have if one account balance, we have account snapshot, and so demo found, switch to real money, and contact us. Then here we have here real money, and we have demo mode, and this is it. So if we come back to the trade here, this is the home page. We have also other options such as all popular here, spotlight if you want here popular options, visors and followers, and then we have other options such as my watch list, commodities, and we have commodities options, and this is crypto, forex, and we have indices options. Then here we have here shares options, shares as well, and here we have it. Why now here we have also other options here, like if one draw, here we have the option of crosshair and info, and here we have switch between the buy and sell prices of the instrument. Then here we have range selector and open chart in a new window. Also here we have multiple chart views, and here we have candle, and this is indicators and views also. And here we have you choose the resolution. For example, here we have 5 minute, 1 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and we have the max. All right, here we have if you want to add left, add right, move right, replace, and if you want to remove also. And as you can see, and also if you want to search for instruments here, and we have also other options such as here we have available, equity, Mr. Margin here, and profit and loss. And here we have if you want to view, as you can see, and here we have it. And here we have if you want to switch to the real money mode, as you can see, we have switched to demo mode. If you want to switch to the money, click over it and you switch right now to the real money mode. Then here we have if you want live support, and here we have if you want to switch, if you want a dark or white. So here we have it. All right, then here we have fonts also inside and other options, so we can just get started. So thanks for watching our guide on Plus500 trading platform. We hope you know have a clear understanding of its features and benefits. Remember, successful trading comes from practice and knowledge, so don't hesitate to apply the tips we shared. So if we come back here, you will find other things. If we scroll down, you'll find here such as why Plus500 is protected, safe, regulated, professional support, and reliable as well. Then here we have here the smart to act. We have practice strategy, expand your knowledge, and the last one, which is manage your risk. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more trading insights. Happy trading and see you next time. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. So you have just follow these steps and you click over now start trading, and then you link your personal information, and then you get started with plus500.com, and that's it. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very easy. You have just to work and be creative and positive, then you would earn money with this platform. So see you again in the next video.